Hi, my name's Greg. I'm a director of Box Fresh, and we are a supplier for ordering. We've been with ordering now for 2 years, and in that time we've grown significantly, and now they match the business that we do ourselves with the business that they give us. Predominantly fruit delivery service for offices. We started about 12 years ago, and we started Box Fresh doing home deliveries to start with. And then over the years, the people that we supplied homes to asked us if we did businesses, and we just organically grew into that marketplace. We just started doing it bit by bit, and we just found that it was a much better business model. We enjoyed it. The growth was a lot stronger than in the home sector. So we just focused a lot of attention on the offices, and it's worked for us. It's been really good. I go around whatever's in season. We try and find and source the best sizes and the best quality for the season. And then we choose our suppliers around the markets, and then we just place our orders, and they'll be delivered to us through the night, every day, because we're based here. So we don't have to get deliveries. A lot of satellite companies have to get deliveries sporadically through the week, but we're lucky enough to be able to get them every day as they come in. It works for everybody. Locally sourced means less freight costs, so we're able to pass that price point on to the customer. So, the less distance things have travelled, the cheaper it is. Obviously, local grown, locally sourced means less handling, which means that the fruit ends up in better condition and better quality. And yeah, just fresher. Most of our stuff is local, apart from the bananas from Queensland. Everything is pretty much close by. We've got great relationships here in Sydney with our growers and suppliers, and so maintaining those means that we can rely on those, and they then in turn ordering can rely on us, and our customers can rely on us too. So the whole supply chain, by being local and keeping those relationships strong, means that everybody benefits along the way. Being part of Sydney markets and being based here means that we're lucky enough to use Greenpoint, and they are globally recognised each year with awards for their recycling processes, from everything from styrofoam right through to cardboard, all the waste management, organic waste management. The processes here, I think they end up recycling around about 90% of everything that comes through this market. So we're part of that because we're here, we use them, and so that's part of our business too. That we treat ordering like it's our business. The way that we talk to your staff, the way that we deal with any problems if we have any, or any new business, I'm just as excited for you as you are for me, and because our goals are aligned, it works. Yeah.